Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain the functionality of role creation in HR management. So let's get started. So in HR management, first of all, there is employee list and access control list. From employee list, you can create your employees. Say for example, I am creating an employee here. And then I'm going to provide certain role for this employee. So I'm just going ahead and creating an employee here. Okay, say Madhuri is my manager, or say she is my collection manager, and I want to create a role called as collection manager, which will include only the collection related access for her. So where can you do that? Just go to access control list, select staff Madhuri, okay, and create a new role. This role will be a collection admin. Okay, this is admin for, you can give the description of your role here. Okay, and then here you can add all the collection related access, whatever you want to give for this role. So say this role can create profiles also. Then for example, this role is going to do list assignment. Everything related to field collection, this role is going to do. So all the accesses for this role can be given. Say for example, this role, that is collection admin role, has got 5 access. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, so this role name is already there. So I'm going to give this as collection senior admin. Okay, and I'm going to save this. So now this new role has been saved. Now I'll close this. If you see, there are so many roles that I have created. Okay, for example, Madhuri Mehra has got the role for senior collection senior admin, which has got 5 accesses. Now next what we can do is, we have created the role. Now how we can update or delete the role? So you just go to roles list. Say for example, you want to edit something in collection manager. You just edit this. Say you don't want area wise, you want to delete this access for area wise collection. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this and update. Now close. Now you check that collection manager here, edit. You will see that it is updated. So all the updates can be done through roles list. Say for example, you want to delete one particular role. How you can do it is, you have to just select the role you want to delete and click on delete. So the role is deleted. Now say you want to copy all the accesses from one role to another role. So that is also simple. You just have to say copy role. So which role you want to copy? You want to copy collection senior admin role. Copy role. What is the new name of your role? So say collection 1. This is just an example. Okay, and I want to copy all the access from collection senior admin to collection 1. I'm going to save this. Okay, so now you will see that a new role called collection 1 is added here. And what access does it have? If you see, go and see edit, it will have all the access which was copied from collection senior admin. So friends, this way you can use the create role functionality in Jainam software to create a role, to update a role, to delete a role, and to create different types of roles with different accesses that you can assign for one particular employee. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.